Hi, today is April 26, Sunday. Ipopost ko to April 27, Monday. Just a quick reminder for those na may laking national bookstore app sa mga cellphones. Yung mga points pa sila doon. Don't forget, April 30 ang last day to redeem your points sa national bookstore. So, tonight, ni-redeem ko na ang points ko. Bumili kami ng mga office supplies for our family business, mga office essentials. Tapos, actually, ginawa ko lang din siyang dahilan upang bilhin to. Finally, Fredrik Backman, my friends. It's his latest book. So, sino ba si Fredrik Backman? So, Fredrik Backman, nandito siya sa likod. Ayan, yung search nyo na lang. Gamitin sa na EcoShot Ocean Hero para search sino ba si Fredrik Backman. He lives in Sweden with his wife and 2 children. So, ano bang mga iba pang books ni Fredrik Backman na nabasa ko na? Yes, super recommend ko mga books niya. Ibang tama sa emosyon ng mga books niya. Hindi ko alam bakit, pero galing niya magsulat. So, nabasa ko na itong The Deal of a Lifetime. Maiksi lang siya. Kaya in 1 hour, less than 1 hour, tapos na siya. So, una kong binasang book niya, A Man Called Ove. Super ganda. I mean, sa simula, syempre kung nasanay na tayo sa certain genre, certain writing style, iba siya. Pero as you read along, may parang na-imagine mo na talaga na doon ka sa kalsada ni Ove. Tapos may imagine mo na ang neighborhood nila kasi describe din niya ng maayos ang novel. So, in the end, maganda si A Man Called Ove. To the point. Tapos, susunod kong binasa tong Britt Marie Was Here. Ayan, sino ba si Britt Marie? Basahin nyo sino si Britt Marie. Tapos next kong binasa is My Grandmother Asked Me to Tell You She's Sorry. So, as the title suggests, nagsusorry-sorry lang. Pero, connected lahat. Pero actually, kung babasahin nyo, unahin nyo tong My Grandmother Asked Me to Tell You She's Sorry bago si Britt Marie Was Here. Pero actually, kasi nabanggit dito si Britt Marie, pero di naman interconnected. I mean, pwede naman siya read stand alone, pero may konting background si Britt Marie dito para maintindihan nyo bakit sa simula ganun ang sitwasyon ni Britt Marie without any spoilers. Tapos, pinaka 6 stars ever ko with Fredrik Backman. Actually, parang lahat 5 stars, 6 stars. Is his Beartown trilogy. Again, Beartown, As Against You, and pinakamakapal, The Winners. So, yes, this is your sign, signifier, mga lit theory, to purchase and read Fredrik Backman books. Super galing, super ganda. Ay, baliktad. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. Don't forget, National Bookstore points niyo, gamitin nyo na bago mag-expire. End of April. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.